Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to animate a hoverbox in Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your website truly pop, adding interactive hover animations to your containers, catching your visitors' attention, and giving your pages a professional, modern feel. Seriously, it's easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through every click and option along the way. Let's dive right in. So first things first, make sure you're in your Wix editor. On the left side of your screen, you're going to see the Add button. That's where all the magic starts. Click on Add Element. This menu lets you bring pretty much any feature onto your page, but for this tutorial, we want something a bit special. The hover containers. So go ahead and click into the container section. Containers are incredibly useful. Think of them like the trays or boxes you'd use to organize a messy drawer. They help you structure and style groups of content easily, and with hover containers, you get an extra layer of interactivity. Once you're in the container section, select Hover Containers. These are Wix's specially designed boxes that can change appearance when someone hovers their mouse over them, perfect for things like portfolios, image galleries, or interactive links. You'll see several styles to choose from. Take a moment to browse through and pick the one that fits your site's vibe. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all the choices, don't worry. You can always swap it out later or dive deeper into customization. After you've added your hover container to your page, look over to the right-hand side of your editor. There's a panel called Animation and Effects. This is your main control center for making things move and react. Now, here's an important note. Some hover containers actually come with their own built-in hover effects. Before you jump in, check to see what's already set up. If the container has a pre-existing hover animation and you'd like to switch it out, don't stress. It's super simple. Just remove the current effect, making space for your own style. Now it's time to add your new animation. Click Add, and Wix will give you a list of different hover animations. Maybe you want a subtle fade, a bold pop, or a sliding motion. It's all here. Pick the one that matches your site's personality or try a few and see what feels right. This part is actually pretty fun to experiment with, so don't be afraid to get creative. Once your animation is selected, I always recommend hitting that preview button up at the top. Go ahead and test it. Mouse over your container and see what happens. Sometimes the animation might need a little tweak, or maybe you want to dial up the speed or change the direction. You can always jump back in and customize to your heart's content. Wix gives you tons of options for colors, movement, and timing, so play around until it feels just right. And really, that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've taken a standard box and turned it into something interactive and eye-catching. This is such an impactful way to add polish and personality to your site, whether you're showcasing products, sharing stories, or just giving your visitors a better experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Wix tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your website stand out. See you in the next video.